0SR best electric bikes. Some motorcycle enthusiasts believe electric motorcycles can go beyond fantasy and become an everyday occurrence in the near future. Here we are in 2022, and electric motorcycles have not only become incredibly practical, they are now faster and cheaper than when they were first introduced. Perhaps the pace of development of electric motorcycles has to do with the global push for green energy. The proposed mission to ditch pumps and ban internal combustion engines is sure to make a dent, too. Whatever the reason, electric motorcycles still exist. Recently, electric bikes have become a great option for many commuters as well as those who just want to have some fun riding a battery-powered motorcycle. Recharge times decrease as technology improves, and range increases at breakneck speed. So much so that the latest LWR installation, Long Way Up, featuring co-stars Ewan McGregor and Charlie Boorman, was done entirely on an electric bike. If these two turn to Harley-Davidson live wires for their trip across America, it's clear where the rest of us are headed. A full battery in half an hour isn't far-fetched these days, as high-quality, high-speed chargers are available and easier to use. This incredible evolution of electric motorcycles happened at the same time as the flood of the market with lower-cost electric scooters. 0SR-F. The 0SR-F is a good electric motorbike with top-notch features, impressive stats, and skillful manufacturing. In trying to remain the #1 producer of electric motorcycles, Zero expended a lot of energy and knowledge in making this battery-powered motorcycle. The 0SR-F electric motorbike is powered by a ZF 14.4 kWh lithium-ion battery, as well as a ZF 75-10 compact motor, giving the bike optimal power and a very competitive range. We chose this bike because of its incredible power potential and because, in our humble opinion, this motorcycle redefines the word smooth. Engine type: electric charger, 3.0 kilowatts, 6.0 kilowatts power, 110 horsepower at 5,000 revolutions per minute. Claimed weight: 498 pounds. Seat height: 31 inches. Motor: ZF 75-10 air-cooled AC motor. Battery: 14.4 kilowatt-hours. Z-Force 14.4 lithium-ion battery pack. Charging time: 2.5 hour. 100%. Transmission: clutchless direct drive. Final drive. Carbon belt. Price: $19,990. What license do you need for an electric motorcycle? You need an M1 class license to ride an electric motorcycle. However, to get this license, you must have a certificate of passing the basic motorcyclist course, taking a vision test, and a written test. Drivers under the age of 18 must also pass a driving test. How fast an electric motorcycle running? Because electric motorcycles develop their torque instantly, they can go very fast. You can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour on an electric motorbike in seconds, which is faster than you can get on a gas-powered bike. Are electric motorcycle roads legal? Unless otherwise specified, most electric motorcycles are street legal. What is the fastest electric motorcycle you can buy? Starting in 2021, the fastest electric motorcycle you can buy is the Lightning LS 218. This electric motorcycle can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.2 seconds and has a top speed of 218 miles per hour. Electrical Decision electric motorcycles will still exist, and their production will only increase and get better. The options will also increase. This is the future, and it's time to jump in. If you have or are planning to buy an electric motorcycle, safety, range, power and comfort are the things you should pay attention to. Remember, to have a great driving experience for a long time, proper and regular maintenance is the key. But so is the fun factor, so make sure you enjoy your new electric horse.